Ever had your stomach growl loudly at the worst time, like in a silent room? Let us find out why your tummy gets so noisy. Those growls are called Borborygmi. It happens when your stomach and intestines contract, pushing air and fluids around. It is a natural cleaning cycle that happens even when you are not hungry. When your stomach is empty, those contractions echo more, just like sound, in an empty room. Plus, your brain sends signals to boost this movement when it is expecting food. So no, your stomach is not yelling at you, it is just doing its job. Next time it growls, feed it or fake it with water. Like this, hit subscribe for more weird body facts.